We're going to be making isometric part number 11. So again, make sure that you're in the correct project folder. We're going to create a new file here, standard IPT, and I'm going to go and click my home so that it's an isometric view. And for my origin, I'm going to do the XZ plane so that we're on our top view. I'm going to create a new sketch. Okay, let's use our rectangle tool, make a rectangle right here, and then I'm going to dimension this to the correct dimensions. So this rectangle is 2 inches, so this should be 2, and it is 1.5 inches deep, so this one's going to be 1.5. Okay, we'll finish the sketch. Then we need to extrude this, and I'm going to extrude it to the height of 1.25. Alright, hit your home button, and here's our basic cube. Now we have to add the holes to this object, so I'm going to click here, and I'm going to create a new sketch right here on the top view. Click on my top, and for a hole I'm just going to use a point, and I'm going to come right along here, and I want to make sure that my mouse links up to the line here, so it's highlighted on the line. Click somewhere on this line, and then I'm going to dimension this to make sure it's right in the middle. So since this is 1.5 deep, we need this to be 0.75. 0.75 so that it's 0.75 on both sides. Right in the center here. Okay, I'm going to go to my isometric view. I'm going to finish the sketch, and I'm going to create a hole. Now the hole is right here, and I'm going to have the termination be through all, so it goes through all. And I also want to make this, the radius is 0.5, so the hole is actually going to be 1 inch, so I'm just going to hit 1, and I'm going to click OK, and there's my first hole. Second hole is going to go on the back side, so go ahead and grab your isometric view, and I'm just going to move the cube so that I can see this other face here, and I'm going to grab this face to make my new sketch on, and I'm going to hit the left side so that this is right next to me. This hole is going to be 2 inches, and if I grab my point, I'm just going to come right up here to the corner because this is where the center of the hole is. I'm going to click right there, got my point, finish my sketch, go back to an isometric view. I'm not going to click home, I'm just going to pull this so that I can see 3 dimensions. I'm going to hit my hole button, and this hole is going very far. We don't want it to go that far. We also want our drill point to be flat. And how deep does this go? Let's see. Oh, 1 inch. 1 inch and 1 inch. No, this is supposed to be 2 inches. So there's our 2 inch flat head. 1 inch deep, 2 inches is going to be the size of the hole. Click OK. I'm going to go back to my home view, and there we have it. Part 11.